How do you protect your mobile phone screen? Smart Devil Screen Protector. Let's check it out. Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tech Gamers World. In this video, we're going to be installing and reviewing the mobile phone screen protector from Smart Devil. Smart Devil was nice enough to reach out to me and asked if I'd be interested in reviewing their latest screen protector. And of course, I took the opportunity to jump on it. I have multiple mobile devices. I am always on the go, so screen protectors are of utmost importance to me. Otherwise, I probably would have been through, I can't even tell you how many screens at this point. So thank you to them for sending this to me. So let's be realistic. Screen protectors are a dime a dozen. There are multiple different vendors and companies who create these products for both iPhones, Androids, tablets, you name it. Why do I like Smart Devil? Well, just from looking at their product, the one thing that stands out to me is they include the quick installation system with their mobile phone screen protectors because that is huge. Everybody knows how much of a pain it is to install screen protectors. You got to align them perfectly. Everything has to be clean. If you do it wrong, it's off center. It looks funny. You can see it. You get an air bubble. You name it. So Smart Devil included their quick installation system with their screen protector, which makes installing these screen protectors that much easier. We're going to find out just how much easier it actually is. And then, of course, I've got some various things here to test with. I've got a United States quarter up here, a nail, a drill, a rusty drill bit at that, and some water. So we'll try out some of the scratch test on these and see how well it actually holds up. So let's open this up here. So again, this is the Smart Devil Quick Installation Screen Protector. And it says 2 steps to a bubble-free install. Mold's hardness level 5, explosion-proof and scratch-resistant, smooth feel and anti-fingerprint. So that's super important because you don't want to be leaving fingerprints all over your screen when you're using it because you know how that goes and it's always something that everybody deals with. So let's open this up here and see how this goes on, shall we? Opening up the box here, let's go ahead and pull out the product. So everything comes with an installation kit. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Smart Devil, we offer better protection. Envelope bag with accessories, screen protector, and instructions. This looks like just a stand. So here we've got the film installation toolkit. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. And I'm going to assume that this is the quick installation guide. It is here. So as you can see, we have the system here. So step 1, it says cover your phone. Step 2, pull down the exhaust and wait 10 seconds. And that's it. So it looks like there already is a screen protector in here. So that's good. So let's see what comes in here. Scan the QR code and activate the membership to extend the after-sales period of support by 2 years. Okay, so we've got more of the screens, 2 more, and warranty information here, and a camera lens protector. So that's what this is here, if you choose to use these. So we'll put that off to the side here, and we'll put off the extra pieces. So we have the film installation toolkit. On the back here is some information. We have number 1, the cleaning wipes, number 2, the dry wipes for screen cleaning, and number 3, the dusting sticker. So the first thing obviously we're going to do is use the cleaning wipes, then the dry wipes, then the dusting sticker, just to get everything off our phone here as much as we can. So this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. As you can see, it is working. So let's go ahead here and open up the cleaning kit. So here we've got the dusting sticker, the cleaning wipe, number 1, and the dry wipe, which is number 2. So we'll go ahead here and use the cleaning wipe here that they include. That's nice of them. These are your standard isopropyl alcohol pads. And what you basically want to do is just wipe down the screen. The screen will turn on depending on how sensitive your screen is, or if you touch it, of course. So we try and keep the screen off. Alternatively, you can shut down your phone and just turn it off, but you really don't need to. What you want to do is just gently wipe down the screen to get as much of the junk and grime, food, fingerprints, as much as you can off the screen here. Obviously, make sure, of course, you're doing this without a case. And then number 2 is we want to go ahead and wipe down the screen with the dry pad here. So this phone actually has a couple of scratches in the screen. Here, I know it's probably hard to see, but there's one here. Let's see if you can see it without there's one here, 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 here. So there's probably a better angle. You can see there's some significant scratching on this screen, but we'll see how well it holds. So next up, we're going to use the dusting sticker here to take off any dust. Basically what you do is just work your way down the phone. I usually do it twice. And then we are now ready to do the install here. So we're going to go ahead and take this. It says top instruction, so we're going to put the top up here. Click it right on to the phone. Set the phone inside, just like so. And then it says, cover your phone. Please wait. Pull down the exhaust and wait 10 seconds. So this should be pretty straightforward. We'll go ahead here and hold it. Pull out. Let takes a little bit there. Pulled. And now, as you can see, it's expanding and sealing down on the phone. And then we can go ahead here. Step 1, cover your phone. Step 2, pull down the exhaust and wait 10 seconds. So that should be it. So now, if we take this off, pull that clear, we can see that the screen protector is on there. I can see it on the top very nicely. I know it's a little hard to see, but it's definitely on. That's awesome looking. Very cool, very cool. So now let's go ahead and test the overall quality of the screen protector using some of our tools here that we've got. So we can see the screen protector around here covering the camera and the sensors on the top here. And as you can see the outline around the sides there. I know it's a little hard to see, but it's looking good. It's all down nicely. So we're going to test some things here. So common US quarter, checking for scratches. Now, obviously not going to push down hard, but what I'm doing is simulating, having change in your pocket. That looks good. Let's try a screw. So what I'm checking for is to see if any scratches appear in the screen protector, which I do not see any. That is awesome. A rusty drill bit. Again, this would be if you were in a workplace. No scratches. As you can see, I'm rubbing it along here. Just trying to simulate what would be like in a real world environment. And of course, water. So as you can see, when you put water on it, the water beads up, which is what we are looking for. So that is awesome. So now we'll go ahead here and just get this water off. Actually, I'm going to show you that again because it's pretty neat to see. So there's some water. You can see when I tilt the screen, the water just runs right off. And then I can wipe it dry. And put this phone back down here. So that is awesome. We've got our screen protector installed. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and put your phone case back on and you are good to go. We can go ahead here and put the camera protector on as well. Let's go ahead and do that now. So as you can see here, here it is. And it's just got a film backing that we have to go ahead and pull off. And then we're going to place it right on the cameras. So for good measure here, we're going to wipe down the cameras, lenses, and make sure that they are clean. And then let's move the phone over here so we can see. And let's go ahead and install the camera lens. So this looks pretty straightforward here. We're just going to go ahead and pull this off. And it's got the 3 different lenses and the flash and the microphone. So then all we got to do is just set it down and press. Simple as that. We've gone ahead now and installed both the camera lens and the iPhone screen protector. So I'd like to thank Smart Devil for sending this to me. This looks super awesome. It was super easy to install, and I definitely love the quick installation system that is provided with every single mobile phone screen protector from them. If you're interested in this product, I'll put a link down in the description of this video. Definitely check them out. They have screen protectors for every popular sized mobile phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, whether it's the 11, the 12, the 13, the Android S21, you name it, they have it for both the small and larger phones. So definitely check them out. If anybody has any questions or comments, please drop it down below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks a lot, everybody, and I will see you around.